Hey guys, today we're gonna install the latest operating system of Ubuntu. I'm Francis Nicocani.
I'm Hendrik Uano.
I'm Arlo Manasio.
I'm Eman Iyas.
My name is Prince Angelo Marinito.
In this video, we're gonna need a flash drive and a formattable laptop. So inside this flash drive is one of the famous flavor of Linux, which is Ubuntu 19 version.
Hello guys. So we will check the USB if there is items or it's already format. So we see it already have items, so we can't delete it or we need to format. So click this format. So default, and you can name it whatever you want. So we will start for the so click OK, and we will start for the how to boot or how to make your USB FAT32 or flash drive. So click OK. Then after after we format the flash drive, so we will download first Rufus, or there's an alternative, so we will use Rufus. So this is a website, rufus.ie. So scroll down and pick the other versions. So we recommend, or we will use this version 2.11. So we will click it to download. So it's already downloaded, so we move it to the bootable USB. So we will open it. So click enter and click yes if there's a prompt message. So we will click this device and default FAT32. So make it FAT32 and make it MBR partition scheme for BIOS or UEFI. Then this is default, or we will check the total size of USB or flash drive. So it is 8 gig, and we will divide it by 2, so it will make your cluster size 4 gig. So we will uncheck the create a bootable disk using FreeDOS. So we will start and it will loading, will then Clay will explain further ado. Then click OK and explain.
The purpose that we're using Rufus is to only make sure that the flash drive is FAT32.
Then our USB is ready to boot. So we will close it and we will download the bootable driver, or we recommend this website unitbootin.github.io. So if you're using Mac OS, then download it, or Linux or Windows. So you can see this is a Windows 10, so we will download a driver for a Windows version. So we already downloaded it, so we don't need it to download again. So we move, then click enter this unit bootin Windows 675. Click enter, click yes. This image, click that and locate your ISO file or the operating system. So the Ubuntu version 19, the latest flavor on Linux. So we open this and already set, then set it to 1 gig. Okay na?
It is uh, persistent data. 1 GB.
So this is a 1 gig is equivalent to 1024 megabytes. So type is USB drive, is, so it will default, then, or it go if the type is hard disk or you want to use hard disk. So now, for now, we will use USB drive. So we click OK, then we will wait. So we finish now the installing the boot of the to the flash drive. So the flash drive will now bootable.
Yes. And um, we use the unit boot in because uh, the Rufus uh, can't be used in our flash drive. So we decided to only use the unit boot in, and to make the Rufus format our flash drive to FAT32. And, and our next step is to install the operating system Ubuntu to the formatting laptop.
So we're going to install the OS, which is the latest flavor Linux, which is Ubuntu version 19. First, we need to go to this PC or my computer, and then go to manage, then go to the disk management, and go to new volume or Windows C. But for us, we already created this new volume, so we're just going to shrink it. So need to type 4960, which is equivalent to 40 gigabytes, and shrink. So after that, let's close it. Then ready our flash drives, then turn off. After restarting or turning off, and then go to the BIOS, then go to boot menu, and then go to the flash drive that you put in your USB, and go to install Ubuntu, which is here, right here. Just wait and wait. It takes quite a time. So this is the loading screen of the Ubuntu. Just wait for it to load. The cursor here. So first, let's go to English, especially English. Continue, and then continue. Just press the keyboard layout. Okay, let's go to standard, which is the US. then let's go internet connection. Connect. So let's just type. After that, continue. And let's go to third party, install, and download while installing Ubuntu. Just use a password, so sure.
It's too short and
It's too short in password, so let's just make it longer. So continue. After that quite load, so just go to install Ubuntu alongside with Windows Boot Manager, then press install now. So just click continue. So after where are you here, just press continue.
So I will input my personal information, which is password. I will input my password. And choose required to log in my password. Okay, continue. So we're in the process of installing, so just wait for a while. So we're in the final process, which is installing system.
Takes
Yeah.
quite a little while.
Just stay and hang on with us. So we successfully installed the new version of Ubuntu. So guys, after you select the Ubuntu and later on it will bring you here. I will just input my account in Ubuntu here so that I could go to the interface itself. So it's loading, guys. Just wait for a moment. Wait for it. So guys, this is the interface of Ubuntu. So Ubuntu is one of the most famous flavor of Linux, and as you can see, it's quite different to Windows. It's just like an Android. So guys, hopefully you like our video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.